this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time on a Hunter Pro C controller. If you've got one of these Hunter Pro C controllers, you want to open it up. And to change the time on it is very simple. And I love these controllers. They're some of the best. And they're some of the most easiest controllers to operate and to change and program. But here we go. So you want to click your dial. You've got your run dial. You want to click it over to date and time. So we've got, and it starts, and you scroll through kind of a menu with your right arrow. So we've got our year, which is good. We've got our day, which is good. Now we've got our time. First, it's AM or PM. We've got it on PM already. That's good. You can keep clicking the right arrow until you see the hour number blinking. And all you do then is up or down. So we want to plus is we want to add an hour. There we go, changed it. And then if you want to change the minutes, hit the right arrow again. And we're going to leave that. And then if you hit it again, now your menu starts over. So very simple to do. Turn your dial to date and time, use your right arrow to scroll through this menu. And when you see that hour number blinking, you just up or down. Easy to do. Now make sure you turn your controller back to run. That way it will stay running whatever program you have programmed in there.